asteroids and meteoroid. If you see this video once, the full video, so you will have a clear concept about the asteroids and the meteoroids, and you will be cleared with all your question about meteoroids and asteroid, and you can also become an asteroid expert. Yeah, so please see the video till the end. And today in this video we are going to talk about asteroids and meteoroids. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. Asteroids are all over the universe and all over the space, and the space is 90% or more than it full of dark matter, and our universe is just such a droplet in front of the space, and there are only many asteroids are there. Asteroids are small or not small. It is small to the space, but it is huge for our earth and our human civilization. It is huge rocks that are traveling throughout the space every time and every second. Means now you are watching this video, it is traveling here to there to there. And yeah, it is a basic fact that as we know, after in between Mars and Jupiter, there is a huge row of asteroids. That asteroids are like a planets, like what I say, it is like a dust in our solar system, because our solar system is so huge and it contains takes a very less part of it, so it looks like some dust, but it can take the human civilization's life, so it is so dangerous. But don't have to worry, because if an asteroid is broke down, it turns into meteoroids, small parts of rocks that travel through the space. It are also like the asteroid, but asteroids when it is broken into some parts, it become meteoroids. And now we have a clear concept that what is a asteroid. Now we have to clear that concept, that what is the size of our earth and what is the size of our asteroids and meteoroids. Suppose a asteroid's estimated size, that one of the asteroid sizes like a Mount Everest, and it can become more bigger than also, because there are many asteroids there. Some are small, some are big, and one of the asteroid sizes estimated approximately, I don't know approximately, but it is said to be in the size of Mount Everest. And one of the meteoroid size is in a size of the Great Pyramid of Giza, and it is the amazing fact about the pyramid. It is also an amazing fact about the pyramids. Why? Because there is also a meteoroid and also other things in space that are in size of pyramids. So let's move on to the when the asteroids fall on Earth and how they destroyed the civilization of dinosaurs. 66 million or billion years ago, when an asteroid fall on Earth, it ends the full civilization of dinosaurs, as we all know. But if you have not seen our video that dinosaurs are still alive, so you must see it, because it is very interesting video. On this video I am going to tell about asteroid, but on that video I said that due to asteroids some species of dinosaur died, but dinosaurs are still alive. It's a very big question, so you can see it in the I button. So let's move on to the next one. Asteroids also fall just some years back in 2016 or 15 in Russia, and that is not an asteroid, but it is a meteoroid that fall on Russia. It injured many people on living in Russia near the asteroids, and it also affect the many parts, because its speed, the speed waves break many buildings and cars. It is the most recent activity that happened due to the asteroids. Yes, this is just few years back. So let's move on to the next one. Can asteroids, how they can destroy the Earth? there are many things that asteroid and meteorite can do that we can't think in our brain. Means they can make tsunamis, they can also make the earth break down and the lava get out, or they can also, their main part that how the asteroid will destroy the earth. Yes, obviously the place where the asteroid will fall, it will be definitely broke, it will be definitely get injured and the whole earth will be destroyed. But how? Yeah, we all know that 71% of our earth is full of water. So how the asteroid will destroy the earth? Our water will take it? No. If the asteroid hit the Pacific Ocean or just slide away from the Pacific Ocean, it will create a very big storm, and that storm will make tsunamis, and it will and the earth will drop in the water only. It is a very, very interesting and incredible thing, that incredible way of destroying the earth, because our life is also dependent on water, but water is in an excessive amount, and it is growing, and it is becoming in a large quantity day by day. So it is one of the problems also. But we can't live without water, always remember. So never think that water is a danger for us. So let's move on to the last point, that can we destroy the asteroids that, oh wow, what a rhyme, destroy the asteroid, wow, like for it. Yes, can we destroy an asteroid that that can hit the earth, or have the or scientists expect that it will hit earth? We currently have no technologies like that, but in future we will be able to make some technologies, means one that will destroy some part of the asteroid and make it, turn it into the meteoroid, and due to that part, space gravitational power is not much, so it will move on to another direction, or in other way we can also destroy it. Means we can take it, we can pull it using our artificial gravitational power, or it can be also made like we can just go to that asteroid and we start controlling it. Means it is